Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can find any influencer or KOL's wallet address for copy trading. And by using this strategy you can find so many great people on Twitter to build a strong list, and in this way you don't miss any opportunity in the market. But before I dive into it, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join my Telegram channel, FriDev. You can find the link in the video description. Now let's get into it. Okay guys, I'm on define.fi website. This is the website that I recently used to find trending tokens. Because when it comes to DEX screener, most of these tokens are on the trending section because they paid more. For example, this one bought so many boosts to be on the first token on the trending section. But when it comes to trending, define.fi is more accurate and I prefer to use this platform. Let's actually find some successful tokens that recently created and find out who were the first callers for that token. The first one is actually dev.fun. It created 4 hours ago. To be honest, this wasn't an alpha because I knew their platform for over a week. Everyone knew that they will release a token, so I don't call them an alpha. But when it comes to this cat, Mac, it created 10 hours ago. Almost no one talked about this token, but it reached to something around $5 million. So let's actually find who was the first caller for this token. Just copy the contract and go to your Twitter. Just paste the contract on the search bar and let's find out who were the first caller for this token. This posted 4 minutes ago, but as I said, token created 10 hours ago. 3 hours ago, here we go, 10 hours ago. This person posted this token quite early. Maybe he's the founder, the owner of the project. We'll actually find out. Let's open his account in a new tab. 3 hours ago, 5 hours ago, 7 hours ago, 5 hours ago, 4 hours ago, no. This person was quite early and probably he made dumb money by this call. Personally, I don't like to find KOL's wallet address because they usually change their wallet and many times they post, some ads on their Twitter and it's a bit hard to find their wallet address. Personally, I prefer to find some small accounts that they are, quite smart. They have great calls, but still they don't have enough followers. Those accounts are my favorite, but let's do our best to find this account, wallet address. Probably many of his calls could be a promotion and he never bought those. First, we know he probably bought Mac. He posted many times about this token. You can see Mac. All of them are Mac. Let's find out another call from this person. Make sure to always check different calls from different KOLs, and if they were profitable, you can add them into your Twitter list. Now we know this person was quite early on Mac. Probably he called this token. No, actually, he missed this one. It wasn't a call. Let's actually scroll down. Stormy. Okay, it seems he bought this token. Let's actually open this in a new tab. Let's paste it in here. Okay, let me close this. Let's scroll down. We need another token, another actually call from this person. No, he didn't put this. Scroll down. He talked about Lenda, but it seemed he hadn't bought that. Only talked about the volume. I want to make sure he really bought the token. Some tokens that they talked about them many times. For example, look at this one. Talked about HOF in this tweet, in this one, and in here. Let's actually open this in another tab, paste it in here, and let's actually find out his wallet address. We have 3 calls from this person. We have HOF, we have Stormy, and also we have Mac. The website that I'm gonna use to find this KOL's wallet address is gatekeep.io. I'm gonna put the link in the video description. I'm using the free version. However, the pro version offers great features. I'm gonna record a separate video about the pro version in the future. But let's actually use the free one. You can click on find KOL and paste the KOL link, Twitter link in here for his calls. But I think this is not necessary because basically this will detect contracts on the tweet and we can do it ourselves. So personally, I prefer to click on this option, multi-token search, and we have to paste his calls in here. Because we want to find top traders across those tokens, and probably one of them would be the KOL. The first one was actually the Mac token. Just copy that and paste it in here. The second one was Stormy. Just copy this, paste it in here, and the HOF token. Copy this and paste it in here. Now let's find matching traders. This could take some time, so be patient. And now here's the result. As you can see in here, there is no trader that bought all 3 tokens. Probably Stormy was a paid promotion because most of these wallets bought only Mac and HOF. Let's actually check these wallets to find out which one is related to the KOL. Let's copy the first one, go to GMGN website, paste the wallet in here, and let's see. He has a great win rate. He made decent money. And there's a very high chance that this is the KOL's wallet. But we'll actually find out. Let's see when he bought the Mac token. He bought it at 6:50 a.m. in my time zone. And let's actually check his tweet. He posted the tweet at 7:09 a.m. Almost 15 minutes after he bought the token, he posted this tweet. There is a very high chance this is the KOL's wallet. But let's actually check the other token, which is HOF. When it comes to HOF, he mentioned he bought it at $50K, $1,000 market cap. So let's copy this, go to GMGN, paste it in here. And on the makers, we have to paste the wallet. Just copy it again, paste it in here. Okay, it seems he bought it quite early. Let's actually see. The price was 25. Let me actually show it in here. Okay, 25. It was something around here. At around, $50,000 market cap. Let's see the time he posted he actually bought these at 3:30 a.m. and let's see the post. The post was 3 hours later at 6:18. And okay, it seems he wanted to only brag. It wasn't an alpha call. After he bought the token and HOF gave him a great profit, he posted and said, okay, I bought it at $50K, $1,000 market cap. But now we have his wallet address. There is a very, very high chance this is his wallet. And this is great because We don't have to wait for his calls on Twitter. We can easily copy trade this person. After finding the KOL's wallet, if you want, you can copy trade it even when you're sleeping. You can use NovaBot for this purpose. Nova is an invite-only tool, but you can gain immediate access to this bot by using the link in the video description. Just click on copy trade, new task, and in here you have to paste the KOL wallet address. And you can set the minimum buy, a slippage, and many other great features. But what I want to do is actually I want to set this wallet on my wallet tracker on the new version of Bulex. Bulex has a wallet tracker. You can basically add, for example, this wallet. You can write the KOL name, but let's say KOL1. Paste the wallet in here and add the wallet. What I want to do is actually whenever this person buy a token, I can see an alert in here. And basically the strategy is like this. We find as many KOLs as possible and smart people. We set the alert for all of them. And when we see, for example, 2 or 3 of them started to buy a token, that's the time we usually jump in and will buy the token. So maybe copy trading this wallet blindly is not a good option, but when we see, for example, few KOLs but a token, that could be a potential buy. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button and like this video. Cheers.